Hi, this is Rochelle Roesler, Century 21. New listing alert. Take a look at this twin home. 3 bedrooms, 2 bath. Ready to move in. Give me a call, 218-979-1722 for more information or to book your showing. Again, this is Rochelle with Century 21. New listing alert.
Step inside to a welcoming entryway and enjoy your maintenance-free deck and beautifully crafted paver patio, perfect for outdoor relaxation. Inside, the modern updates continue with a gas stove in the kitchen and open living spaces, perfect for daily living or entertaining. This home features spacious bedrooms and modern bathrooms, giving you comfort and style. The basement living area offers additional space for recreation or entertaining. A finished garage offers extra storage and workspace, and with the washer and dryer included, this home is truly move-in ready. Explore the entire layout with our 3D floor plan walkthrough. Don't miss out on this gem. Call Rochelle Roesler today to schedule your private showing.
Of Rochelle Roesler. Call 218-979-1722 at Century 21 FM Realty today for a partnership built on trust and excellence.